With so many creators fighting for attention, could VFly be your golden ticket to YouTube success or just another money pit? VFly is a platform designed to help YouTubers drive more views and grow their audience. For many aspiring creators, it promises a faster route to monetization. But is it really as good as it sounds? Many YouTubers invest in tools like VFly hoping for fast growth, but skepticism looms. Does it really work? Or are creators just wasting their hard-earned money on false promises? There are endless stories of wasted funds, low engagement, and views that don't convert into subscribers or profits. The challenge lies in whether platforms like VFly deliver real, long-term value or just inflate your numbers temporarily. Despite the doubts, there are creators who swear by VFly. With targeted campaigns and audience insights, VFly offers tools to help channels grow faster, even for those starting from scratch. Users report seeing real results, higher engagement, and better retention rates after using the platform. Success stories show that, when used correctly, VFly can help you reach your target audience and grow your channel more effectively. But is it a consistent solution, or just an occasional win? So, how does VFly stack up against traditional growth methods? While organic growth is often slow and steady, VFly claims to supercharge your visibility and jumpstart your success. But here's the key. Success depends on how you use the platform. Without understanding your target audience, even the best tool may fall flat. It's not about spending the most money, but spending it wisely. VFly can be a game changer when paired with a solid content strategy. In the end, VFly can be a powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand. With the right strategy and content, it could help you stand out in a crowded YouTube space. But if you're hoping for overnight success, you might be disappointed. Have you tried VFly? Let us know in the comments about your experience. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel and boost your growth.